We're on day 6, I think, of letting this smolder. Show you what we got. You remember how far it went over to that tree before. We've made pretty good progress. We're pushed back in here pretty far. There's not much smoke coming out of there, but I can feel in there, and there's still definitely some heat in there. So we're gonna see if we can get this kicked off. Had a few comments last time about why wasn't I using the tractor to push all this stuff in, which means I didn't do a good job of explaining it. So I dragged the sky cam out today, We'll get the sky cam set up, and I'll try to get you a little bit different perspective so you can see why I wasn't using the tractor to push stuff on. All right, so here I am for scale. See, pretty big pile. That's the biggest reason. We'll go ahead, reason number 2. Can't reach. I can barely reach the top of the pile. Can't. Just, okay. Try again. Didn't get any taller. So, at some point it'll burn down enough and I can use the tractor. But at this point, I can't quite reach the top. And then 20 horsepower. That's all I've got on this thing. And there's quite a bit of bigger stuff weaved in. Here I am backside. I can kind of get stuff to wiggle, but I can't quite push it yet. So with that being said, it rained a little bit this morning. Didn't really affect it too much, but we're supposed to get like 2 inches of rain tonight, and that will affect it. So we're going to change our plan a little bit. We're going to try to get as much of this cut up and in a pile as we can to keep it all protected from the rain and keep this thing going. So new plan, whatever. We'll roll with the changes, and let's get this thing done. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where all my awesome current subscribers welcome all the new subscribers in the comments section. We're like one big happy family here on this channel. So here's what's going on. This burn pile we started about 6 days ago. This burn pile is part of the clearing project for a roadway, which is about 1,500 foot long, that we're currently working on. That roadway will lead back to the YouTube Yacht project. The YouTube Yacht project is a boat-themed something. Alright, it's going to be like a mini cabin back along the Hoosier National Forest border. Boat in the forest, I don't know, it's crazy, but stay tuned. Later this month we're going to reveal our final plans for that project. Alright, we're cooking now. It's raining, I'm sure you can see that. We're going now. We're going real good. We're just going to keep like all this scraggly stuff that's sticking up. We're gonna get it cut. We're gonna get it on there. With the rain, we're gonna get this thing big and let it cut. Let it cut! Yep. Yep. All right, climbing back up into the VIP booth here. I'm holding the camera with my mouth. I swear I'm using 2 hands on the ladder. Hashtag OSHA. So you can see, remember what this looked like? Photo op. All right, so we got all that cut off. This one right there that ran down through here is the one I was trying to push down earlier, but I couldn't because it's just so long on this end, so it wouldn't do anything. So we got all that thrown on there. I'm hoping that's enough to keep it protected from the rain. It should burn up through there. The nice thing is if that burns up nice and hot, I actually can. Everything should be small enough then that I can take the tractor and then just keep pushing it that way and maybe start pushing that one this way. So we're gonna call that progress. So the last thing I'm gonna do, the one I was just talking about right there, I'm going to try to push that this way, finish that off, then we're gonna get out of here. That muffler bracket, can you guys hear a muffler bracket on that tractor? Driving me crazy. Okay, transition to Skycam mount. Man, I did not, waved you up on the Skycam up there. I did not expect to be able to move any of that. So that, oh man, I'm ecstatic. Got a bunch more of that stuff pushed on there with the rain coming in. I'm not worried about it pushing embers up at all. And man, that stuff's all really loose. If that burns down really well tonight, heck, there's a chance next time I get down here, I can push all that in and daggone, I might be freaking done with it soon. That, whew. I tell you what, that's got me happy. Let's get you guys down from this ladder. This is the same day I'm working on the bush hog. If you haven't checked out that video, check it out somewhere in here. God, my hands are a mess. And we'll get you down from your Skycam. And the video's not over. We're gonna check in just a minute and see what we got. All right? All right, hang on. You're gonna fall. But I got you. I wouldn't drop you guys. All right, get the chainsaw, tractor up. Let's head to Mike's. All right. Just got back from working on the bush hog. That video will be coming soon. Should be the next video actually, but here's what we got inside there. About 4 hours later, that's what we got. Not bad at all. I'd like to get that hole filled back in. Either try to push these couple stumps in, or push some more of this material in. One of the two. And see if we can't keep this hot enough to survive that rainstorm that's coming. That's the whole goal. So, all right, so we're just gonna stand on the edge of this volcano here and try not to make myself a sacrifice. We're gonna throw all this stuff in around the edge where the tops have burnt off. The nice thing is, I think once all this stuff burns down, everything that's left will be small enough I can actually push it in with the tractor, throw something cold in that cup holder, do the work from the seat of the tractor. That's gonna be a nice time, and we're gonna call that progress. Like I said, I was at Mike's today working on the bush hog, got it modified, fixed up nice. It looks awesome. I got that video coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thanks for hanging with me, to all the subscribers that have been with me all this time. Hope you guys are off to a great start on your new year, and we'll catch you on the next one.